In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove the footer from your entire WordPress website. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once you are on the site, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will bring you to the authentication page, which guides you into the process. After clicking the login button, you will see an option that allows you to sign in using your Google account. Select the option labeled Continue with Google. This choice simplifies the login process since it uses your existing Google credentials for authentication. Once you click this option, you will be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. Carefully select your preferred account from the list provided, because this account will be used to access your WordPress dashboard. After successfully signing in with your Google account, you should look for a section within your WordPress interface known as Quick Links. In this section, you will see the option to edit site. Engage this option to progress directly into the editing area of your website. This is an important step because it leads you to the area where you can make changes to the site's structure and layout. Once you have activated Edit Site mode, your website will be displayed in an editable format. Look for your website among the available options and click on it. This action will bring up the full site editor, which gives you control over various elements of your web design. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, providing a straightforward pathway toward modifying your site's appearance and content. Scroll down through the editing interface until you reach the bottom of the page. At this point, you will see the footer element clearly indicated as part of your website layout. Clicking on the footer is the next step in this process. By doing so, you directly select the footer section, which you intend to remove from your website permanently. After selecting the footer, it is time to remove it from the page. To achieve this, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and then press the backspace key. This keystroke combination instructs WordPress to delete the currently selected footer section from your site. Practice a careful and deliberate press of these keys to ensure that the footer is removed smoothly and without error. Following these steps will eliminate the footer from your entire WordPress website. Each step has been designed to be simple and direct so that you can follow along with minimal difficulty while ensuring clarity at every stage. The process, when performed in sequence, will result in a cleaner website interface that no longer displays the footer section at the bottom of your site. This concise yet thorough process demonstrates that even a seemingly challenging task, such as removing a persistent site element, can be accomplished within minutes when following a step-by-step approach using WordPress's built-in features. Enjoy the updated look of your site once the footer has been removed completely.